All right. What are some effective ways to control garden pests naturally? Ah, as a master gardener, I love this question. Natural pest controls include beneficial insects like ladybugs and praying mantis, creating healthy soil. And also, if you practice crop rotation, that will help with your insects as well. And you might try companion planting. Yeah, just be willing to experiment and see what works for you in your garden. How can I identify and treat nutrient deficiencies in my plants? Okay, nutrient deficiencies can be easily identified by paying attention to like the leaves. Are your leaves yellow, or do your plants look like they have a stunted growth? Soil testing can also help pinpoint what nutrients your plants are lacking. And you can address those deficiencies by amending your soil with fertilizers. I do vermicomposting, composting with worms. That's my fertilizer. You can also contact your local agency, like contact your local master gardeners and ask if perhaps they know of some local agency that provides soil tests to home gardeners. All right. How can I keep my garden from turning into an all-you-can-eat buffet for neighborhood critters? Garden critters are just like freeloaders at like a human buffet. They love an open invitation. All right, so what you can do is set up some type of fencing or some type of barrier and tell those unwanted guests the party's over. Yeah, like use chicken wire. Hi, how can I make my garden more sustainable and reduce water consumption? Use drought-tolerant plants. Also, you can collect rainwater in barrels, and mulch will help you retain moisture. And if you water by hand, try watering early in the morning or late in the afternoon to minimize evaporation. I hope that helps.